I'm so sorry if I'm doing this wrong, Apple. That is so stunning and bright. So I've got the iPad mini in every color, and I've also got all of the iPad mini Smart Folio covers, besides white. So that does technically rule me out from saying I have all of them. Anyway, we're gonna kick back, hang out, and just like try these folios on all the iPads and see what combinations look best. And I haven't done the math, but actually this could be a long video. Shit, is it 16? 4x4? Each color has 4 combinations. Yeah, so dude, help me. Today I'm drinking Bundaberg Diet Sarsaparilla. I found it in my parents' fridge. It's pretty good. By the way, guys, I'm Ellie Awesome, and if you haven't seen me before, please subscribe. So much tech, lots of Apple, lots of fun. It's awesome, you know? We chillin'. I don't know how to open this. That is what's happening right now. I'm just... Seriously, where and how? Like, wait, do I just... I'm merely hesitant to rip this open, if you know what I mean. I think I do have to rip it, like, the bottom. I don't see any pull tabs. Ugh. This feels so wrong. You don't usually rip stuff when it comes to Apple, right? Like, oh, this is... I'm so sorry if I'm doing this wrong, Apple. Ugh, it feels so wrong. What am I doing? Is this right? Why did it just pop out the top? Tell me why it just popped out. Oh, shit. I knew it, and yet I persisted. I've never been so persistent on something that was so stubborn with me. Oh my gosh. Anyway, shit, that's a nice color, as is this. Well, actually, it's kind of like a prune. I don't know if I buy it. Okay, moving swiftly along. This is the dark cherry. Oh, wow. Oh, this is lovely. How have I already gotten fingerprints on it? Feels super lightweight. I love that velvety, smooth inside. Sorry, I had to. That's nice. You should try that. All right, we have this one. This is the black. This looks so weirdly green in my room right now. I mean, I guess that's what colored lighting does to you, but that is throwing me. Is this not green? Can someone just like give me a little, I don't know, I thought I knew color. Next up, we have the lavender, which I will open with ease. I said I will open with ease. Okay, this is nice. This is like, hey, matches the BG, real nice. This is basically purple iPhone purple. Yeah, I think these lights are definitely messing with my color perception. That's cool. They look great. Awesome. They really went all out with the fun colors. These feel like the colors of spring or even autumn. And we're opposites here with America. I live in Australia. Are you joking? So right now it's spring with the iPad mini launch, whereas I'm pretty sure it's autumn in America because it's gonna be winter for Christmas, right? It's gonna be summer for us. It's gonna be hot as hell. That is so stunning and bright. Oh my gosh. Vibrant. Wowee. What's the actual color? Electric orange. Oh, you are not lying. Wow. Shit, I forgot what my top down is. Like here, there, here, here. It is what it is. Look at that. Okay, so we've got our folios unboxed. Now it's time to try them out. Which iPad should we choose? You want this one? This one? This one. Yeah, I knew it. Let me know in the comments which one you actually picked. Did you pick this one? You totally did, didn't you? Oh, you picked purple. Well, I guess the first port of call is purple on purple. No, what am I doing? Go against the grain. Shit, you didn't see that. Kids are gonna use iPads, so I had to test that. Again, this is just sarsaparilla. It's not alcoholic. Vibes, just a vibe. Tis it not a vibe? So, okay, here's the, have I forgotten how to do this? Here is the ironic part. Obviously you can't see the back, which is where a lot of the color is, but you can see the edges. Purple and orange, yeah baby, yeah. That is pretty cool. All right, let's go purple on purple. Yeah, that's nice. It blends in, it matches well. It looks good. Purple in the purple one. I think you can't go wrong. If you like a little bit of matchy-matchy, that's neat. Take that how you will. Now this black, which I am seeing as green, like a forest green. Ooh, I kind of like that. Yeah, that's interesting. That's a nice contrast. Like it's such a dark green, black something. Anyway, this looks great. I recommend. Favorite is still the orange, okay? If you're buying one. Now this is that dark cherry. This is really interesting. This is a nice contrast. I saw this kind of color combination with the iPhone 12, the purple iPhone 12. I had a case like this, a dark purple case. It's cool. It's not my favorite vibe, but yeah, there you go. There you go. There you are, here you are. There you are. So yeah, I'm gonna vote. This is my least favorite. Pick an iPad. What are we doing next? This one. All right, you guys picked Starlight. Now Starlight is white, I think, or yellowish white, or silver. It's a beautiful iPad. I'm really into it. It's subtle and pretty. So let's try it with the blacky green that's apparently called black. I still can't believe it. All is well. Look, it could absolutely just be pure black, but in this purple lighting, it is looking green. With this folio, it's looking nice. And no, how can you go wrong with this color? How can you go wrong with black? Great combination. I love these folios, you know, they're simple and elegant. They hold your device up well, you know, that's pretty sturdy. Oh, did slip a little, but it's nice, you know, because it's a lightweight, sleek cover and the material feels lovely. Like this is a sort of soft, almost silky matte, but it's matte, so you know you got that texture. And I'm very sensitive with surfaces and touch, so I approve. I don't know about you, but I'm into it. I actually like this one, the dark cherry on the Starlight. That is nice. Excuse me, I was trying to hold that in. I couldn't play it off. Okay, I like this a lot. There's no lose in this situation. The Starlight with the orange, I'm obsessed with this, I think. This is just so simple and clean. It's awesome. By the way, this is not sponsored, but this is an Australian drink. Bundaberg, not the flavor sarsaparilla. The Bundaberg drinks. Some of my family's from there in Queensland, so it's cool. I like it. We now are going on to the purple with the Starlight. That's nice too. Did I already do this one? I can't remember. It's late right now. I have done so many videos on the iPads and stuff. All right, that was awesome. Also, by the way, I have a TikTok. So if you like short form content or if you're on TikTok, it's Ellie Awesome Tech as well. It's on screen at Ellie Awesome Tech and I'm really loving it on there. I love doing YouTube as well, but yeah, you know, a bit of both. So hit me up there if you're interested. So the pink is really pretty and I think anyone would love this color. It's a very subtle pink tone. It's almost that rose gold vibe, but it's much lighter. Now I'm just gonna chuck it into the, was it lavender or purple? Twas lavender. That's a very pretty kind of vibe. Like this is, if you like cute stuff, if you like something that's really pretty, this has like a calming, delicate, sweet vibe. I find that so lovely. It's obviously subtle again, because it's just the trimmings and the camera. All right, that's cool. Now, how would the pink go with orange? I think it could be a hit again. Yeah, it's nice. It actually makes it look kind of orange by contrast. So I would say the orange is a win there as well. We got the black. I love this pink combo actually. This is so cool. We're really hitting home runs with this pink one. These folios all look excellent. And you can imagine that the white folio would look so good with this as well. I just realized I did not clean my teeth before this video and I just ate sushi, holy shit. Okay, dark cherry. Ooh. Now, again, I'm not the hugest fan of this dark cherry, but this looks good. I give this props. I think this is a good combo. Okay, home run for the pink. Pink matches with everything in my opinion and it looks fantastic. You are my favorite iPad mini so far. It's vibes all around. And the final one would have to be Space Gray. It's So obviously a classic. It's quite a dark tone, and this is quite a dark tone compared to the rest, which are quite light. I'm gonna start with the cherry. This actually kind of looks good. I did not think I would love this. I'm gonna be honest with you, I think this is where the cherry shines. The cherry looks great on the gray. This one finally gets acceptance from me and my cruel, cruel judgment. Okay, this is simple and sleek. You know, if this is black on black, it's a vibe. Though the gray is lighter, obviously. Can't go wrong, honestly. Ooh, save my fave electric orange till last, but we will go to the lavender. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This isn't really blowing my mind for some reason, but I do feel like if you're gonna get space gray, this is a nice color to liven things up. So yeah, lavender, Ellie Awesome approved. And finally, space gray into the electric orange. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Dude, this is so cool. Yeah, this is absolutely a vibe. We love it. I think we did it. I think we made it to the other side. Again, if you want to see more content from me, I'm Ellie Awesome. Please join the Awesome crew by subscribing. Hit the thumbs up button or hit me with some feedback in the comments. I will be reading, and check out my other videos. I'll see you soon.